Did you know you can make a super high quality sponge cake using just a blender? I'm going to start by adding 4 eggs, 100 milliliters of oil, 1 cup of warm milk, and 1.5 cups of sugar. Now I'm going to beat it for 5 minutes until this mixture becomes really fluffy and light. Now I gradually add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'll just mix it to combine. Finally, I add a tablespoon of baking powder, and I also mix it really quickly just to combine. Don't keep mixing. This is my baking pan, size 20 by 30. You can use a slightly larger one since it turned out tall. I grease the bottom of the pan with oil. I put parchment paper in, and I grease the top of the parchment paper with a little more oil. I didn't grease the sides of the pan. This is a trick you can use for all cakes. That way the center won't end up much higher than the sides. You know when it puffs up in the middle? That won't happen. Now I'm going to bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. In my oven, it's about 40 minutes, but this can vary a lot depending on each oven. So do the toothpick test. Insert a toothpick into the cake's center. If it comes out clean, it's done. This cake, as I already mentioned, can be used in several recipes. But if you're like us here at home, who love cake with freshly brewed coffee, you can also eat it just like this, plain. Sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on top for a delicious taste. If you're not subscribed to the channel, it's time to give us a little support. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notifications when a new video is out. See you in the next video. Bye!